It's like $500.
Oh no.
I was just thinking maybe he saw it on sale somewhere.
No, that's your car.
You're kidding.
No.
I
leased it. Yes.
You're joking.
I swear to God.
No.
Yes. That was my.
Oh my God!
That was my other half deal.
Oh, thank you.
You like it?
Yes. No, I'm really gonna cry. I'm
You're really
gonna
gonna
cry all day.
George, look.
Are you kidding? That's
Hey,
my
that's
car.
Mommy's new car.
Dang! Are you kidding?
No.
Oh my God!
That's your anniversary present.
Oh, are you joking? Here's
No.
your Wi-Fi.
Yes, there's Wi-Fi.
Damn it.
But
Can you disable it?
what?
Can you disable the Wi-Fi?
No.
Are you-
What?
Wait, you can't disable